I'm going to show you how to install Dev C++ in Windows 11. I'm also going to show you how to run your first program. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to launch your Google Chrome. Then go to search. Then search for Dev C++. Then once you are here, you are going now to click on the second website. Just click on it. Then click on this download button here on your left. Then your download will start shortly. So let us just wait for it to begin. Then as you can see on the top there, it has already begun. So once it has finished to download, just double click on it. Then this Windows security pop-up will come on my screen, which my screen recorder does not allow to record. So I'll just click on yes. Then I'll minimize this one. Then as you can see, the setup is loading. Then select a language. Here I'm going to leave it as it is. Leave it as it is, English. Click OK. Then I agree. Then you are going to see what you are going to install. So you're just going to leave it as it is. Then click on next. Then destination folder. So here you can change the destination folder. You can click on browse. Then select program files. Then OK. Then as you can see, the space is 346 MB. So which is enough for the space available. Then click on install. Then it is going to take a little bit of time, so just give it time for it to finish. Do not cancel and do not interfere with it. Then click on finish. Then Dev C++ first time configuration. So you are going to leave the language as it is, English. Then click on next. Then color, you can just leave it default. Then click on next. Then OK. Then as you can see, the Dev C++ has been launched. So in order to write the first program, you are just going to click on file, then new, then source file. Then here you are going to start to write your program. So you are going to write C++ #include . Now once you have written the program, you just need to come to file, then save as. Then you can save it anywhere that you wish, but I'm going to save it on desktop. So I'm going to save it as program .cpp. Then save. Then once you have saved the file, you are going to click on execute, then compile and run. Then this terminal pop-up will appear on your screen. So the program is successfully run. So as you can see, this is the program. This is my first C++ program. So as you can see here, you see out. So that's it, guys. That's how you can install Dev C++ in Windows 11. Now I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.